Platinum Plumbing. This is Madison. How can I help you?
Hi, we're having some plumbing issues in our bathroom. There's a leak coming through the subfloor into the basement from the bathroom, and it's very wet and it's starting to mold everywhere where it's leaking. So we really need to get it checked out and fixed.
Yeah, definitely. And who am I speaking with today?
My name's Olivia Yaklich.
And so we went through insurance at first to see if they would cover just like removing our subfloor and stuff that was wet. We had a whole lot of problems with that and what they would cover, and we ended up basically firing the people they hired and tried to have family help us out, and then they ended up having health issues, so we had to find another way. I could not appreciate the help more. Like it really kind of saved our lives. We haven't had a shower in our house for 3 months. It's been a mess. We've been taking baths in the sink, going to the gym to shower. It's been a lot. So we're very grateful that it's finally getting done and finally getting taken care of.
Hello?
Hi, is this Olivia?
Yes.
Hey, Olivia, this is Maggie with Platinum Plumbing. How are you? I wanted to give you a call. I spoke with Andrew this weekend, the owner of Platinum Plumbing. We know that you were approved for the $3,500, and we know that the job cost is a little bit more than that. But you just seem like such a kind person, and we wanted to throw something out there. We would go ahead and take care of the work. There are many people that need plumbing work that costs a lot of money and just can't do it. Like $6,500 is a lot for me. We do like to help people out. And we were wondering if you would be open to us doing that for you, everything that's needed to kind of get you guys up to code and get everything taken care of for you guys. And we'd love to do that for you. And
You're going to make me cry. I'm sorry. This would help so much. Thank you so much. Yes.
Oh, awesome. Well, no, I am, you are, I've loved communicating with you. Everybody that's worked here, or everyone, that's from Platinum that's been over to your place, that has just said how wonderful of a person that you are, and we all, kind of put our heads together and just really wanted to do something to get you guys, to the spot that you would like to be, that you need to be, you deserve to be. So we would love to
Thank you so much.
That.
I can't tell you how grateful I am for you guys doing that. We could not figure out how we were going to pay for all of that. And so thank you so much.
So when we arrived, Platinum had already had a vanity, a toilet, and a tub installed, but all of this was open. The shower was inoperable. There was a large HVAC vent right here where you would stand to access the vanity. There were things that brought it to functionality, but it was far from complete. We went ahead and rerouted some things that we needed to in the basement to move the heat run over into the corner. And then we reframed this wall to bring it out, thinking with the end goal in mind of how the tile is going to finish out. Also, we had to do a little bit of electrical work there to install the jacuzzi tub. Other than that, it was just finishes. It was waterproofing properly so that this tile lasts. And then today we're going to be coming on and putting in the final pieces of trim to make this official and watertight.
We did try to have family help us out, and my fiance's dad ended up having some health problems in the middle of trying to fix it, so we basically stopped in the middle of a complete bathroom gut. We had no bathtub, we had no drywall, we didn't have a toilet for a while where we were literally leaving the house to go to the bathroom. I think it was you, and I don't know if it was you and Maggie, but when you guys called me and said that you were gonna help us out and everything, I was just like in awe. I was just so grateful. It was a rough couple months, like just the stress of moving into a house while he was working night shifts and just with little kids. It was just a lot. So it was just like a big weight off our shoulders, and we're just very grateful for you guys.
When you're buying a home, you're hoping that it's gonna go well, and there's not gonna be any really big, massive issues. So when there is, it's kind of scary. I'm very grateful to work for a company that does this type of stuff because I couldn't imagine not helping you and your family out, and I'm so glad that we were able to get you guys a functioning bathroom and take some of that burden off you guys.